Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're going over the Acurast token. Ticker symbol is ACU. Now this token is 3 days away from their TGE, their token generation event. And we're going to go over the information on the Acurast mainnet and their token. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen over here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Acurast. Real easy to find that. 826 posts, gold verified checkmark. It says real decentralized compute network powered by phones. 149,500 phones onboarded, 493 million testnet transactions, 88,650 deployment, supports Android, iOS, and Solana mobile. You can see they have a huge following, 101,700 Twitter followers. Full link tree is there, gold verified checkmark, 826 posts. Now in the link tree, you can find their website, which is Acurast.com. They have a Discord group. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion over there. Same with the X and their Telegram as well. Their Telegram is at Acurast Network and has over 25,200 members on there. You can chat with other community members on there. And then they also have some links here to download the Processor Lite for iOS, Android, and use Processor Core for web. So lots of cool stuff in the link tree there. So what is this project all about here? Well, Acurast is a decentralized compute network, DPIN, that leverages billions of everyday smartphones to create a sustainable, secure, and sustainable, scalable alternative to decentralized cloud infrastructure. Founded in 2022, the project aims to activate idle mobile devices, transforming them into a global network for confidential computing without relying on data centers or specialized hardware. This approach is mobile-centric, harnessing the built-in trusted execution environments, the TEEs, and hardware security modules, the HSMs, in smartphones for verifiable tamper-proof processing of sensitive data, AI models, and mission-critical workloads. Key features and technology: they have decentralized and permissionless, eliminates gatekeepers by using consumer-grade devices for compute, ensuring privacy and affordability for developers and enterprises. It's scalable by smartphone, so with 1.39 billion smartphones sold annually, and a 2.75-year replacement cycle, Acurast taps into the unmatched global distribution, devices in 140 plus countries. It's 117 times cheaper than traditional servers. So it says secure and verifiable, employs OEM issued security chips and cryptographic attestations for trustless operations, outperforming server-based security. Confidential computing, so supports privacy-focused tasks like AI inference, data processing, and Web3 applications without interception. Also, upcycling incentives, so users can repurpose old or damaged phones as processors to contribute compute and earn rewards. So how it works: smartphones join as processors via the Acurast app, so the Android or iOS, providing idle compute power secured by hardware proofs. Now, the network's proof-of-stake blockchain acts as an orchestration for job assignment, settlement, and governance. Developers deploy apps or jobs to the network, which matches them to available devices based on reputation and quality of service. Rewards are distributed to participants, fostering a self-sustaining ecosystem. Acurast started as a Kusama parachain and is launching its Polkadot mainnet alongside its token event. The project has raised over $11 million in funding and grants with a focus on community-driven growth. It's already processing hundreds of millions of transactions on testnets with real-world use cases in AI clusters, decentralized oracles, and secure data processing. So it says the TGE of ACU is scheduled for November 17th, 2025, coinciding with the Acurast mainnet launch on Polkadot. This marks a delay from the initial Q3 2025 target, allowing for further protocol maturity. At TGE, the initial supply will be 1 billion ACU with immediate unlocks for community allocations. Pre-TGE activities include airdrops, Canary Network token conversions, so CACU to ACU, and community events. The event emphasizes a fair launch with only 6.5 allocated to early backers. Now, tokenomics-wise, ACU is the native utility token powering the network's economy with a community-first design. 70% of the supply goes to users, miners, which are the processors, and ecosystem growth. And this model incentivizes long-term participation through staking, fees, and governance, while adaptive inflation ensures sustainability. So 6.5% of the tokens go to early backers, 24% goes to team and advisors, 24% goes to TGE community activation, 24% to the community treasury, 11.5% to operational funds, 10% to liquidity provision with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. So the utility for this token, it says, pays for network transactions and job orchestration, secures the proof of stake chain, earning fees by staking and delegating, unified token for compute jobs, 30% burn on settlements to deter manipulation, and governance, vote on proposals for ecosystem evolution, and 30% of settlement fees are burned to enhance scarcity and security. This structure prioritizes decentralization with no heavy VC dominance and gradual unlocks to prevent dumps. Now, it says, as of November 14th, 2025, the TGE is 3 days away, so tokens are not yet tradable on open markets. But you can participate in the token sale via CoinList. So if you go to CoinList, there's a web page for it. It says up to 60 million ACU available. Minimum purchase is $100 USD in USDC, USDT, or USDE. Fund your CoinList wallet, apply during the sale window, and allocations are at Acurast discretion. No vesting mentioned for token sale, likely unlocked at TGE. So the webpage is coinlist.co/Acurast to sign up. You can also mine tokens as a processor, so testnet to mainnet. And then when the token gets listed for a token generation event, so far they have Gate and FEMEX. So you could download Gate or FEMEX from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on November 17th when it gets listed, and then buy the tokens that way. You can check out the webpage in the meantime, Acurast.com. They have a full document section over there as well. Check out the Twitter. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.